I would like to tell you a story about Lucy. Imagine Lucy, a 10-year-old girl living in Shanghai in the year 2030. Lucy has never seen a hospital, although she has an innate disease. Now, healthcare has radically changed since the invention of the quantum computer. Newly designed healthcare made it impossible for her life-threatening disease to evolve into sickness. In fact, her medical assistant, R2DX, has prevented all of her illnesses so far. R2DX is designed so that care can be provided everywhere and very effective. What if we could design healthcare in this way? What if people would have immediately access to personalized care? My name is Pieter Vandekerckhove. I'm conducting a PhD at the Erasmus School of Health Policy and Management. My PhD focuses on how participatory design can improve healthcare. And in this video, I'll tell you more about why I started this PhD and how I hope my PhD will help to redefine healthcare as we know it. When I started to take a closer look at the design of healthcare, I was especially interested in young adults who are seriously ill. Now, I experienced firsthand that young adults who are seriously ill feel alienated. They're looking for ways to cope with uncertainty. Healthcare should be radically redesigned for these people. They need support to help them manage the process to develop a new identity. However, nowadays, they can't find the support in a medically focused treatment. Through my own experience and research, I realized that there are other disciplines we can draw inspiration from. I especially started to gain more interest in philosophy after my studies at the University of Ghent. I became really excited when I understood that the teachings of Eastern philosopher Confucius and Western philosophers like Epicurus and Socrates could be translated into practical exercises. Based on these insights, I developed philosophy tools originating from Confucius, Epicurus, and Socrates. These tools help patients and healthcare professionals find more fulfillment in life. I provided these tools in many workshops. But something frustrated me. Philosophers only have a limited involvement in the provision of healthcare and healthcare design. For instance, in the provision of healthcare, the philosophical questions about life and the identity of someone are simply not addressed. In healthcare design, the focus is more on developing products and services, but including a broader theoretical framework that could help to improve the design process. Therefore, I was always asking myself, why can't we philosophize our healthcare? But actually, not only philosophers have limited involvement in healthcare. The cooperation between healthcare professionals, patients, designers, software developers, and policymakers remains challenging in healthcare design. So I was actually asking myself, why can't we combine all the wisdom from all these disciplines? Well, the key to success, I discovered, is participatory design. The purpose of this process is to bring stakeholders together from different disciplines, so we could redesign healthcare by using participatory design, and we could do it in an effective way. And in this way, many stakeholders could be involved throughout the entire design process. Philosophy can be the launchpad for progress, especially the theory about the search for the best way to develop knowledge, which is called epistemology. In my opinion, creativity plays an incredibly important role in the process of knowledge development in participatory design. in my PhD develops the philosophical foundation for effective participatory design in healthcare. I hope this will lead to great improvements. I believe the use of philosophy tools can lift healthcare to a more advanced level, just like Lucy's. Let's design better healthcare together with philosophy. Let's develop more health services which include philosophy tools. Let's talk now. You can contact me at vandekerckhove@eshpm.eur.nl, or you can download my philosophy tools for free at www.adperspective.com.